Hi everyone. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to disable in your Windows 10. So for this, first of all, we need to click Window and R from your keyboard, and then on the right, you need to type the reg edit. Simply type this and enter. Then you get a pop-up. Simply click on the yes, and here we have an option of HT local machine. We need to click here, and then we need to select the software. The software we need to policies. So we need to see policies like here, and then we need to see Microsoft and Microsoft needs the Windows. In the Windows, we can select the data collection. Simply click on this, and here we need to create a new telemetry. First of all, we need to delete this, and here I will guide you how to simply go to the new, and then we need to select D word 32. Click here. And here we need to type any name. I'm giving the name of the telemetry. Click here and then double click. And here we need to change the value from any value to a zero. When you change the value from the zero, it's disable the telemetry from our window. So by following this simple step, you can easily disable telemetry from your Windows 10 or 11. Get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye. Take